Get total of pandas column. I have a pandas data frame, as shown below, with multiple columns and would like to get the total of column, my column. Print df. My attempt. I have attempted to get the sum of the column using groupie and .sum. This causes the following error. Expected output. I have expected the output to be as follows. Or alternatively, I would like df to be edited with a new row entitled total containing the total.
You should use sum. Then you use lock with series. In that case, the index should be set as the same as the specific column you need to sum. Because if you pass failure, the values of all rows will be filled. Two other solutions are with that, and 9. See the applications below. Note, since pandas v0.20, 9 has been deprecated. Use lock or illic instead.
Another option you can go with here. You can also use append method. Update. In case you need to append sum for all numeric columns, you can do one of the followings. Use append to do this in a functional manner, doesn't change the original data frame. Use lock to mutate data frame in place.
Similar to getting the length of a data frame, lindf, the following worked for pandas and blaze. Or alternatively,
there are two ways to sum of a column dataset equals pd.read_csv data.csv. 1. Sum dataset.column_name. 2. Dataset column_name. Sum. If there is any issue in this, please correct me.